Run VT, Errol. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This week I have moved over from the Mini because my mate had COVID and he couldn't come over on Friday. So I thought I would install my diesel heater that I put in my van when I had my camper van, and I was really impressed with it. So I bought another one and I'm going to actually install it into my garage so that we can keep warm, because I'm burning so much gas. We had a diesel heater in there in the last video. The problem was that it burnt 5 litres in an hour. These little Chinese diesel heaters burn 5 litres in about 14 hours. So I'll pass you back to me down the garage, but I just thought I'd fill you in with that little bit so you know what's what. Thanks for watching, and back to Keith. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday, it's bark speed time. Today is a bit of a quiet one. Unfortunately, Kobo has got COVID and he couldn't come over. So what I decided to do was, rather than do any work on the Mini, because it's quite a cold day, I thought I would fit my diesel heater, which you can just see somewhere there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the diesel heater on this shelf, and I've drilled a hole through the wall which goes all the way through, solid brickwork, so the pipe will go through the hole in the wall there, go right the way through and out to the other side. I've ordered a 2 metre long exhaust pipe, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise this shelf up, cut a hole in the shelf where I've marked out, and we're going to put a circle, and then cut down the middle. Raise this shelf up so that the exhaust and everything comes out the bottom and goes directly through. You can see the daylight through the hole there. And then I'm going to cut with a big circle. I'm going to cut a hole in the wall of my office, and then when I need to just heat the office, there'll be a heater duct here with heat coming in, so I can shut the door and actually just heat in here and also heat out there. But the thing with these diesel heaters are they're really efficient. Most people reckon you can burn them 5 litres and it will last you pretty much 14 hours, which is really good. So it's better than the other diesel heater we had the other week, which literally done 5 litres in an hour. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll put you on a tripod and we'll move this about. So I've drilled 4 holes in there. I just got to tidy that up now with the saw. There we go. Right, so cut the hole. I can then put the diesel heater on top with the pipes going through and down, and then through the hole there in the bottom. So the unit will be installed like this. It's going to have the car battery sitting next to it there, and then everything else will be running off mains. So there'll be a trickle charger to the car battery, and then this, and then there'll be a duct on the front here which will run, and I can then run that into a hole here, through the hole, through the wall. I've got some of the duct here like this, so I'll just get a longer piece of this duct, and that will go through and then pick up there, so I can then heat my like that. I can heat my office from the diesel heater as well, and then when I want to heat the big space out here, I just take the front off and let it blow direct. Good idea. Right, now onto the wiring. So this is the lead that they supplied with the 2 ring bits on the end, but it only stopped here. There wasn't a fuse in place, so I put a 15 amp fuse in, and then I've just been to Halfords and I bought these, and I've soldered some tags on the end of them and then screwed them in so that these are now ready for the car battery to be connected to. But yeah, they didn't have a they didn't have a fuse in place, so what I've done is I've put the fuse in place with a 15 amp inline there, and then obviously soldered those on me soldering bench here. So I'm just waiting on the exhaust now, because obviously this exhaust here isn't long enough to go out the wall. So I just got to wait for that to turn up, and then we should be making my gas redundant. The gas in the bottle probably only got about that much left in the bottom of the bottle. So hopefully tomorrow. This is where we're going to be setting up. So there's a hole underneath there going through to the outside. This is going to sit here. Got the power supply ready there. My car battery there, and then obviously my lead and my trickle charger. So I'm going to plug the trickle charger into the battery terminals, and then this will then go into the back of here, and away we go basically. So I'm just going to put you on a bit of time lapse and show you how I'm going to connect this up. Okay, so there we go. We have ignition on there, powered up. Obviously we're not running, we're just running off the car battery at the moment. I'm going to tidy this all up. I'm going to put the car battery in such a way that the car battery is over in this corner, and then this is like here with the exhaust pipe going underneath, and the air intake going to be hanging out the bottom like that, with any luck. I don't know yet, but yeah, that seems to do the job. And then that's your diesel heater there. And I've left enough space between here and there, so it allows me to fill it up, because obviously I need to fill it up as well, which is cool. Oh, exciting! Right, so hopefully tomorrow I should have the pipe, and then I can connect it up, give it its first test run. Oh, how exciting! So, this is day 2. My pipe's not come, but I decided what I would do was come down to the unit again via Wicks. I bought a length of ducting, I bought a vent, I bought on a coupler, and I'm going to cut out a hole in the wall into my office and heat my office. Easy as that. So in the next bit you'll see me with some tools. Check this out. Alright, so today's job is I'm going to tidy this hole up with my jigsaw. That's my first job, and then I'm going to drill a hole in here. I've got a big drill a hole in there and push through into the office, so that I've got a vent that will go straight in. So there we go, just tidied up that, made that better, and then next thing is the holes. So done that hole there, put the vent in. I just put a few screws on that just to hold that in place, and then around here we've got the pipe that I can duct, which is 3 meters long, which will duct and go into there. So hopefully this will work. I'm just going to reassemble everything, and we'll give it a go. Okay, so I've got it temporary done, because obviously that pipe isn't long enough. So I've got that temporary done, and I'm just going to fill it up now. Okay, next thing, filled up, and we'll connect on here. Should fire us up, and then turn it on, see what happens. So as you can see, got it rigged up, running it like this, and this pipe runs through like that into here. And the other side of the wall, it's actually warming up in here. I've got nice heat coming out of there. I've got nice heat coming out of there into my office. I just need to get a carbon monoxide tester in here, but that's actually kicking out loads of heat. It's kicking out loads of heat. Yep. Straight through the gap. That's wicked. It's actually working. So I put it in line with this here, and I'm going to leave it running for about 20 minutes and we'll see how much diesel it's used. Okay, little update. I've been running the diesel heater for half an hour and it has literally moved about a millimetre. I filled it up level with the bottom of this sticker, and it's literally moved about a millimetre. It's been running half an hour. It's showing 23 degrees on the front. I'm going to turn it off now because it's done its little test. I am really chuffed with that. So as you can see from that video, the heater is working. It's ducting it into my my office, and my office was lovely and warm. I could quite happily work from there all day. I'd say I've just got to get myself a carbon monoxide tester to put on the wall in the office, and then hopefully when the pipe turns up I can duct it out through the hole that I drilled in the wall, and then I can see how long it takes to heat up my my actual unit itself. But I am really pleased with that, and I think that is definite must for anybody that's got a small sort of 2.5 times car garage. That will quite happily heat up. I mean, it's going to save me a fortune, absolute fortune. So anyway, but for now, that's the end of the videos. Please like and subscribe, and if I don't get a chance before, happy Christmas everybody, and see you in the new year. Cheers for now. Bye.